Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Christmas crocodile. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Christmas crocodile, let's begin by making a little Santa hat. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a couple little bumps that just go right across my paper like this. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes up, and then I'll make a couple more little bumps right across here, and then I'll bring this down to connect it. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then I'm going to bring this up. Now, right here, I'm going to draw this line up, and I'll bring this down and connect it. On the end here, I'm just going to make a couple little kind of bumpy lines for the end of our little Santa hat. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down for the eye. And then I'll make a little line right across the bottom. Right here, I'll make a circle, and then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white, so it looks like there's a little reflection in there. Then I'll make a line that comes up, and a line that comes down. And I'll make another little line right down here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes up. Then I'll put a little bump on it, kind of where the nose is, and I'll bring it back. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and up. We'll go up and down, and then back up here. Then I'll make a little dot for the nose, and a little curve right there. We'll make a little line here by the mouth. And then I'll draw a line that curves down. And I'll make it a little bumpy and come right to here. I'll draw a line that's going to go down and up. And a little line that's going to come over and curve up. Now, right inside of here, let's make some sharp little teeth for the mouth of our little Christmas crocodile. And then I'll put some right back here too. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line over. And then I'm just going to curve this line down. And I'm going to bring it around and down to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and around. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'll draw a line that comes down at an angle and then straight down here. And then I'll make a couple little toes on it like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then back over at an angle. Starting here, I'm going to curve this over. And then this time I'm going to draw this line down and then right to here for the other leg. And I'll do the same thing here. Then I'll just curve it here. Next, I'll make a little line right here for one of the spikes. And I'll do the same thing. I'm just going to make some little bumps right across here. And I'm going to bring these all the way down. And I'll bring them right down here towards the bottom of the tail. Next, I'm going to bring a line here. And then we'll curve a line here. and then right here. And then I like to add just a couple little curved lines in here, just to make some details on the bottom of our little Christmas crocodile. Then right back here, let's just make a little present. So I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to go over, down, and back in like a square. I'll make a long line across the top. And another long rectangle shape right on top of it. I'll make half a circle. And then a line that goes up and down on each side for the bow. Next, I'm going to make 2 lines that come down. And there's my little present. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little Christmas crocodile. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.